If you're anything like me, you need a Here we go. 3, 2, 1. If you're like me, you need a coffee. If you're like me, you need coffee first thing in the morning to get you going. But maybe you don't wake up early enough to make a whole pot, or maybe you don't remember to set the automatic timer the night before. Well, with a K-Cup coffee maker, you can make a cup of coffee in as little as 1 minute, so you don't have to wait on a full pot to brew. I'm going to show you how. If you're like me, you need coffee first thing in the morning. If you're like me, you need coffee first thing in the morning to get you going, but you don't wake up early enough. If you're like me, you need coffee to get you going first thing in the morning, but you don't have time to make a full pot. Or maybe you don't have time, or you forget to set your automatic timer the night before and get all the coffee and water and everything set up the night before. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make coffee quick and easy with a K-Cup maker. First I'm going to go over some of the key ingredients. You will need water, which I have in this pitcher here. You're going to need a K-Cup, which is this little container with coffee inside it. And then you're going to need a mug with whatever you want in it. Cream, sugar, or a Kahlua if it's that kind of morning. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to pour the water into the reservoir. Okay. Let's close that up. Next, you'll put the K-Cup into the assembly housing and close it up. And if you have one in there, obviously take the old one out. So when you put it in there and you close it up, you'll hear a puncture sound. That's the top and the bottom being punctured to let the water flow through. So after that, you're going to take your mug with your creamer, sugar, Kahlua, Bailey's, what have you, and set it directly under the assembly. The next thing you'll do is you'll select your desired amount. We have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. For this cup, 10 ounces is perfect. So now you just push the brew button. And while that brews, we'll just go over a few things real quick. Making a cup of coffee is easy with a K-Cup maker. I went over the simple ingredients that you need: water, coffee, cream, sugar, cup, Kahlua, Bailey's Irish cream, and I showed you how to put it all together to make a perfect cup of coffee. So the next time you feel like you really need to get going and you don't have time to make a full pot, consider getting a K-Cup coffee maker. And coffee's almost done. Perfect. Every time. That's it. That's how to make the perfect cup of coffee in the morning in less than a minute.